Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. We're going to take a look at this Pocket accessory. This is the Pocket 3 Magnetic Universal Extension Bracket. Now this was sent out to me by Start RC, but I want to show you guys exactly what you get in the box. So really nice design for this. I've already taken a quick little peek at it. Let me show you guys what you get. Now why I think this can be a good product is the two different components that come with it. Now, the advantage to this product is that it's not just limited to the Pocket. You can actually use this with other cameras, but with the Pocket in mind, it does have this little bracket that you guys see here. I've used a similar bracket from Start RC on the Pocket before, and it worked just fine. So to put the bracket on, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to expand it, and then you can just slide it on. So the easiest way to put this on is to just take this guy like this, and you're just going to slide it over until you can see the buttons right here. It's still going to give you access to your joystick, your record button, and then back here you have your standard GoPro style little mount there. And what that's going to do for the most part is make it easier for you to connect this to other devices. So with that in mind, let's take a look at this portion of the bracket. So of course this comes with the traditional thumb screw. Most of you guys are familiar with this. This does pivot outward, so that gives you some flexibility. It comes with this MagSafe ring, so if you don't have a MagSafe device, you can utilize this. The design is really nice. It's plasticky, but it works, And as you guys can see, the magnet is super responsive, very strong. And I think this was going to work with anything that is metal. So here's just a metal card, just to give you an example. And that magnet is super strong. All right, so how would I utilize this? So you could actually mount this on the back of your device and just kind of have it, there. It could just kind of rest there. And then you can always just, easily attach this to a refrigerator, car, whatever it is. And you can adjust it based on where you want it to be. So with that in mind, let's do it the easy way. So let's expand this guy all the way out. We're just going to line this up, kind of like you guys see here. This does not put any additional tension on your device. And you're just going to take your little thumb screw, push it through. It doesn't have to be super tight, just enough to, secure it. And now you have something that looks like this. And what's nice about that is you can adjust that as you need to. And again, you can also pivot this around like so, which is a good starting point. Another thing that I noticed about this is there is a 1/4 underneath here. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to use this with a monopod or an extension, type of pod. You could do that as well. Now you would have to extend this outward, but it's a reason why you'd want to be able to do that as well. So let's say this is the configuration you want to go with. Okay, that kind of works for recording content. You'd have to adjust this. But what this is now going to allow you to do is to connect your phone to this device, guys, that has MagSafe capabilities, like this iPhone here, and I could mount this guy on here. Let's make sure I'm hitting that MagSafe. There we go. So if you're using this somewhat as a monitor, especially if you're recording something in a portrait orientation, that's going to come in really handy. You can kind of walk and blog and see yourself on a larger screen. So again, like I said, it comes with a few accessories, and I like this design. Now for tabletop video, tabletop photography, that's another place where this can shine. So if you wanted to use this, say, with a different device, let's take a look at what this would look like using this with a different camera. All right, guys, so let's combine this with our Extra Edge Pro and also add the attachment for it. Now, of course, you guys know the magnetic attachment just snaps on like so, which is going to make it really easy when you're doing any type of content. So you could actually take this, mount this basically the same way as you guys see here, and we're just going to line up our little thumb screws, pop that in like so, and we could also flatten this guy out if we wanted to. Now we could take this, pop this on our edge, and now we have kind of like a little tabletop stand. You could also use this as a magnetic mount, so you could have this back here. And then if you wanted to connect this to, something in the gym, something made of metal, just so that you could have your camera set up, that's really, really nice. But you guys get the idea. A lot of flexibility when it comes to this. using this somewhat as a stand. And if you add another accessory here that has more of a swivel, you would be able to adjust this in whichever direction you want it to go to, depending on the type of accessories that you have. But overall, guys, you know, in a nutshell, I think this little accessory has multiple functions, so it just really depends on what you actually need for your setup. So hopefully this video has been helpful to some of you guys looking for different accessories to be able to connect to your different cameras, whether it's a GoPro, the Edge Pro, the Pocket 3, or whatever device you might have. I think this is going to be a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.